Wanna know about an indicator almost no one's talking about? It literally tells you when you buy and when to sell with shocking accuracy. Once you use the RVI, you will never enter a trade blindly again. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling to find a clear buy and sell signals, you are not alone. Today I'm revealing one of the most underrated, powerful indicator out there, the RVI, Relative Vigor Index indicator. Trust me, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to use it to time your trades more confidently. So what exactly is the RVI indicator? The Relative Vigor Index is a momentum based indicator. It compares the closing price of a candle into a trading range and helps determine whether buyers or sellers are in control. Think of it like a smarter version of the RSI indicator, but with a twist. The RVI usually comes with two lines just like the MACD indicator, the main RVI line and a signal line. When the RVI line crosses above the signal line, it's considered a buy signal, and when it crosses below, it's a sell signal. Alright, now that we have introduced the RVI indicator, let's talk about how actually use it in trading. First thing we need to do, add two horizontal lines to the RVI indicator, one at 0.2 and another at minus 0.2. These levels are important. When the RVR lines enter the zones, it shows us the market might be in extreme condition. If it crosses above the 0.2, that could means the market is in overbought area, and if drops below to the minus 0.2, it might be we are in oversold zone. But here's the thing, RVI alone isn't enough. It gives too many false signals, especially in a sideways or a choppy market. So what to do? We add a second indicator to filter out this noise, and that's a good old MACD indicator. Go to the settings of the MACD to filter it. Here's how adjust the MACD to work with this strategy. Click on the MACD indicator settings. Under the input tab, change the values like this: fast link to 100, slow link to 200, and signal smoothing to 50. Now go to the style tab and uncheck these both options, MACD line and signal line, because we don't need those for this strategy. We are only using the histogram as a filter. Now your chart setup is ready. Alright, now let's talk about how we actually enter a trade using this setup. For a long entry, here's what we are looking for. The signal line crosses above the RVI line. This crossover happens inside the oversold zone below to the minus 0.2 line. At the same time, the MACD histogram must be dark green, not light green. Why? Because when the MACD is light green, it means the momentum is weak. The trend doesn't have enough power yet. Once you get the crossover and the MACD confirmed with the dark green, that's your long entry. Set your stop loss just below to the previous low, and I personally use for 3 risk reward ratio. As you will see on the chart, price easily hits our target. For a short entry, it's the exact opposite. The signal line crosses below the RVL line. This crossover happens above the 0.2 level in overbought zone, and the MACD histogram must be dark red, not light red. Again, if the MACD is only showing light red histogram, skip the trade. It means the market isn't ready to drop yet. So enter a trade here. Set your stop loss just above the previous high. Set your target at 3 risk reward ratio, same as the long setup. And that's it. Another powerful strategy added to your trading toolkit. You saw it yourself. It's clean, it's simple, and it's work. But before using in the live market with your real money, make sure to backtest it properly. That's where you will know the risk reward ratio and whether it suits your trading style. And hey, if you're looking for high accuracy signals with 80 to 90% win rate, I highly recommend you check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the description right below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your fellow traders, and of course subscribe to the channel because I've got some instant content coming up very soon. Thank you for watching and always stay smart and safe trade.